Hello friends. Today I am going to share an interesting essay with you about my dream job. If you stay with me till the end, I will ask you a special question where you can share your own dream job. So let's start. Essay: My Dream Job. Introduction. Everyone has a dream job in life. Some people want to be doctors. Some want to be engineers, and others dream of becoming business owners. A dream job gives us hope and inspires us to work hard for the future. My dream job. My dream job is to become a teacher. I have always admired teachers because they share knowledge and guide students in the right direction. Why I want to be a teacher? I want to be a teacher because I enjoy helping others learn. Teachers play a big role in shaping the character and success of their students. A good teacher can inspire children to work hard, stay honest, and achieve their goals in life. My belief. Being a teacher will make me happy because I will be contributing to society. Sharing knowledge is like planting seeds of wisdom that grow into strong and successful individuals. This is why my dream job is to be a teacher. Conclusion. In the end, I know that dreams come true only through hard work and dedication. My dream to become a teacher motivates me to study harder today, so that I can guide others tomorrow. Everyone should follow their dreams with passion and patience. I believe being a teacher will make me happy because I will be helping others. This is why my dream job is to be a teacher. And now I want to ask you, what is your dream job? Share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.